OnePlus 11 just launched yesterday. A flagship phone, fast refresh rate 2K AMOLED display, Snapdragon second generation flagship processor, superb in design, 50 megapixel triple camera setup, fast charging and many more. Today I will show you unboxing and first impression of the OnePlus 11. Hey guys, Maiky from techmaiky. Please consider subscribing, turning on the notification by hitting that bell icon for more amazing tech videos. We have start with the quick unboxing just to show you the box content. In the box, you will get OnePlus 11 phone, 100-watt fast charger with Type A output, along with the Type C to A cable. OnePlus also provides the transparent case in the box, along with the SIM ejector tool and some documentations. Let's talk about the design and build. OnePlus 11 has brought a total of two color options this time, namely Endless Black and Instant Green. At the same time, the two color scheme also use the different processes. And this is instant green color. First I thought the back of the phone is made of AG glass process, but it made by transparent glass. Feels very smooth, it feels glossy, but there are no much fingerprint sign here. The camera module follows the design of the previous generation while making the changes and innovation. The lens module of the OnePlus 11 adopts the design of the Mirror Galaxy, which changes the square module of the previous generation into the circular module, similar to the watch dial. OnePlus 11 is still the most eye-catching one. The design of the OnePlus 11 is the same as that the previous generation. It achieves a very perfect fusion and transition in the connection between the camera module and the frame. When you turn the phone slightly, you can clearly see the light and shadow flow in the camera module, and this formed by the light and shadow flow draw a K on the outer circle of the lens, and the official also called the K-type light and shadow. In addition, if you look closely at the outer ring of the lens protection glass, this ring looks similar like a design of luxury watch dial. OnePlus 11 retains the 3-stage mute switch, which is also the most iconic configuration of the OnePlus mobile phone. The frame of the phone is made of metal and the camera module is made of stainless steel material. The weight of the phone is around 205 grams and the thickness is around 8.5 mm, so it is easy to hold with your single hand. OnePlus 11 is equipped with the Samsung 2K plus 120Hz flexible slightly curved screen with up to 525 pixel per each density, supports native 10-bit color depth, has a 1300 nits peak brightness, and the 1000 Hz extreme touch sampling rate, and HDR10 plus certifications also support the Dolby Vision display. This screen also brings a true LTPO3 technology. It means you will get the 1 Hz to 120 Hz refresh rate, so the power consumption is less on the screen. On the top of the screen there is a Corning Gorilla Glass Victus protection. In terms of core configuration, OnePlus 11 is equipped with a second generation Snapdragon 8 mobile platform and full-blooded version of LPDDR5X RAM, starting at 12GB and up to 16GB of large RAM, and the storage uses a full-blooded version of UFS 4.0 starting at 256GB and up to 512GB of storage, and it supports up to 8GB of memory fusion, and it finally achieves the 24GB of RAM and 512GB of storage. In the Antutu test, the OnePlus 11 equipped with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 ran a score of 1.3 million plus, which can be said to be the first rank in the Android phone. You can also see the Geekbench single core and multi-core score. You can play high-end game with the high settings in the test. You can play Genshin Impact with high settings. The average frame rate of the OnePlus 11 reaches to 59 FPS while gaming. And in the King of Glory test, the average frame rate is almost 120 FPS. OnePlus 11 also have the frame insertion feature, so you can play the 60 FPS game in 120 FPS, so you will get a smooth effects while gaming. And you can also play the game in HDR setting. You can see the difference between the HDR and non-HDR gameplay. Let's talk about the camera. OnePlus 11 is equipped with the 3 Sony flagship lenses. The main camera is Sony 50 megapixel outsole IMX890, which supports OIS optical image stabilization. The ultra sensitive portrait lens in Sony's 32 megapixel IMX709 with a 46 mm focal length and RGBW arrangements, and 416% increase in the light intake. The super wide angle and macro lens in Sony's 48 megapixel super wide angle IMX581, the f2.2 large aperture size, and 115 degrees super wide angle field of view. In the front 16 megapixel selfie camera, you can see the camera samples here. OnePlus 11 is equipped with a long life version of 100-watt super flash charging and large 5000 mAh battery. The official said that it can reach 100% in just 25 minutes. The base variant price of the OnePlus 11 in China is start from 3,999 Chinese yuan. If we converted in UK pound is around 483 pound, and in the US dollars is around 591 US dollars. OnePlus 11 is a flagship phone that is difficult to find shortcomings. Among the performance-oriented flagship phones, OnePlus 11 also has its own differentiation, such as the linear motor that dominates the entire Android market, such as the video experience blessed by Hasselblad, such as the memory generic recommendation technology, and even very impressive the super frame and the super picture engine for the game bonus point. This difference really make the OnePlus 11 a bit more different. So what you guys think about it? Tell us your thought in the comment section below. If you have any question, just comment below and make sure to share it with your friends. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Well, me signing off. Thanks for watching. Have a great day and keep smiling, and I will see you in the next one.